at 11 for all the moderators.
Correct.
And Johan, if you're in and you want to like jump in and answer some questions you feel comfortable with,
Ready.
that'd
I
be
already
great
took care of
while
that,
we're
Richard.
gone.
That's
Okay,
why
perfect.
the second big cheese is here. I already had that all figured out. So
Perfect.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Thank you. All right, we should be going live now. Let me know. Make sure, of course, TikTok, you can hear and see everything. Also, that you can hear the Zoom. Same thing with Facebook and all the other stuff. Make sure we can actually hear everything. That'd be great. Hold on. What is this? Okay.
TikTok's up, Coach.
Okay, thank you. It looks like the audio should be working correctly over on TikTok. You should be able to hear the Zoom. Let me know. Thank you.
I hear you. I just want to hear if we hear the Zoom members.
Okay, thank you. It should be okay. Usually when my desktop audio lights up like that, it's okay. I don't know why my TikTok part's not loading for myself over here again. Come on.
Yeah, I said it in Zoom. I can hear both TikTok and.
Oh, perfect. Okay, thank you. Sorry, just loading my system here. Trying to get my own TikTok live up so I can see comments. There it goes. Hey. Good deal. Okay, now I can see it. Let me make sure we can over on YouTube. Just want to make sure we can see everybody. While we're doing this, by the way, my own TikTok live up so there it goes. All free or all paying members at American Dream Trading. I just announced this morning that our moderators don't even know about. They'll love it. All of you, every paying member in here, regardless of what you have, you can now gift until January 1 a free premium membership to anyone you want. I know.
What?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's awesome, Coach.
Do the things, click the stuff. If you need help, just open up a help desk ticket. But yes, you can get, I don't care what membership you have, doesn't matter, gift away. If you wanted somebody to be, over here and you want to show them what you're doing, give them a free membership, right? It's 100% free. We won't charge them anything, and they can cancel obviously before January 1, but it's free. Go on. Do the things, click the buttons, zero excuse. We don't do excuses here, right? We do the things, no excuse, right? Do it. Good stuff. All right, so Merry Christmas. That's how we were going to start today out, is by giving stuff away. You know, it's my favorite thing to do. That's my jam. Moderators, don't let me be late. I will make sure to get off on time on here for our 11 o'clock. It won't be that long. Trust me, I've already got it all set out. We've already got a roadmap. Just so you guys know, behind the scenes, we're all meeting today to talk about our other company that we have, American Dream Trading Academy. Yes, we have another company here. Hopefully you guys will appreciate all the back end work. We've been working on this for years, plural, years, and now I am going to push the gas pedal all the way to the floor. It's the first thing we're doing in quarter 1, 2026, launching American Dream Trading Academy to the world.
The sound effect's really long.
I know it's coming out of my speakers. Now the journal, so the journal, it got so big because we're doing a full journal. I think we're going to break the journal into 2 pieces. So first 6 months, second 6 months, You'll be able to download the whole journal, but because there's so many pages, it's a daily journal, right? So without it becoming thousands and thousands and thousands of pages, we're breaking it down into 2 smaller parts. So we were trying to get that released last week. So hopefully this week we can make that happen. But just so you guys know, that's what was going on is we made some changes. We tried to make the changes and then it's freaking it out. So there's, believe it or not, because there's watermarks and stuff on it, it's a big file. So it's taking a lot for us to generate. And then every time you enter data, right, it makes the file bigger. So this is what we've been trying to do behind the scenes. This is phase 1, which is going to be a PDF or an electronic version of the journal you guys can use every day. Now, if you don't have one, you don't have to, because you can use your computer. Hell, you can type it in on your phone. But one of the nice things, right, is if you have like a Kindle Scribe, right, or a Remarkable Pro or Remarkable, right, you'll be able to download that PDF and just hand write on it, right? You can just annotate or edit right on the PDF file. So you guys, again, we'll try to get that out this week. Don't freak out. We just want to make sure it's not buggy so we don't have, 800 million people. It's not working right. Okay, just calm down. Everybody take it easy, right? So anyways.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Just real quick, I'm kind of sure you knew this question was coming, but how many are they allowed to give away? Someone's already given out 3 invites.
Yeah, it doesn't. We were going to do 1 per, but if you know more than 3 people, give them all away, right? If as many as you want. If it becomes a problem, I will turn that off. How's that? Otherwise, what's the odds of somebody, I gave it to 50 people? We'll see. Right? So
sounds good.
Yeah. So right now, unless it becomes an issue, give it to as many people as you want. If you want to be Super Santa at, a Christmas function or something, just let us know. Hey, I'm going to have 100 people coming in the door. I don't have a problem with that. Just let me know. So we're like, oh crap, where are all these tickets coming from? Right? So do the things. But that's the deal we've got going on right now is free. You can't beat that. As of January 1, I don't think we're going to do the free trials anymore. Bruno, you and I will get together on that, but I don't know if that's advantageous for us to continue to do that or not. I think we just get huge amounts of churns from all the window shoppers that don't really shop or do anything. They just come in, take up all our resources, and then we don't hear or see from them again, right? We can see that they've signed up for 57 other courses and WAPs and all sorts of crap. So we'll see. Or maybe we'll do like a $19, like we used to, first week, or I don't know, something. So we're not using all of our resources for all the free people that don't end up signing up. So we'll be talking about that. Did anyone here ever make 10K a month? Is that a trick question? That's over on TikTok. So you're new here. Either that or you're fishing for somebody to try to buy a crypto course or something. We got people over here making millions in a day. Literally. Anybody?
Just a minute. Let me grab my calculator and see how many 10,000s are in that.
Yeah, it's crazy. We had a member make $25 million in a single day trading session, right? So yeah, we've had people make 10K in a month. But yes, thank you for being here. We appreciate you. And again, if this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33, almost in 2 weeks, it'll be 34 years. That is nuts. Holy crap. He really is old. I know.
You old man.
The old timing man, right? With the white beard, full Santa action, Santa and stocks. Maybe that's what we'll have. Today's name will be, right? So, and we did all the free giveaway stuff. So it really is, right? Santa's stocks today. So do the things, click the buttons. If you guys want to join us, just go to our website, American Dream Trading. Oh my gosh, it's so complicated. I know. Look down. This is for training and education only. Go to americandreamtrading.com to join us today for free. See it? It's right there. Wow, it's giant. See it down there on the bottom? Now, if you look up, I know it's so complicated. If you guys want to go to Tradeify, Use the code ADT to get the best deal. Ding, 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 ding. Whether you're resetting your account or setting up a new prop firm, right there, Tradeify. Tradeify, by the way, is one of the top ranked U.S. owned prop firms. That's why we are a premium partner with them. We're going to be doing a lot of fun with them coming up soon. I want to do some cool giveaways. I want to do a prop firm challenge. So if you want to get started before we do it, before I start giving away real cash and prizes, maybe you want to go get one of these memberships right here, right, to start. If not, that's okay. You can wait till we start, but you could get in there early. Check it out. Do the things. Click the buttons because there will be cash prizes for the challenges. Cool stuff that I've got coming out. All right, we've got about 19 minutes to the bell. Another exciting week. We've got 2 more weeks. We are in the Christmas rally, right? I told you guys about it. Usually you get a nice run up with earnings and all the things leading up to it. Obviously, you can see that the market is up again today, right? If you look at the overall of the market, I want you guys to look at this big picture. I want you thinking big picture here, right? I tell you this all the time. We are in a bull market, right? Can you guys see it? And then everybody started to freak out. This is the stuff you have to stop doing as a long-term investor. Because as a day trader, you don't care if the market goes up or down. But as a long-term investor, you have to stop freaking out when we have market corrections or small pullbacks, right? I want you to look at this. This is coming off the day chart. Okay? This is back right here. This goes all the way back. This is 2023 right here. I'm going to put a vertical line. That's 2 years. Can anybody tell which way the market is going? This is 1 year right here. Let me mark this. Can anybody tell which way the market is going? Does that look like panic? Oh no, sell everything. The whole world is burning. No. Okay, great. We had the great tariff scare for 3 months. That was right here when the whole news and media was freaking out about tariffs. By the way, President Trump has said that we have collected $22 trillion or 18 trillion, 22 effectively by the end of the year. 22 trillion. That's a freaking T. So whether you love the guy or you don't, I don't care. Doesn't matter. Obviously that's working. Look at this right here. Can anybody see this right here? This was the tariff scare that the media told you to sell the farm, get out. Does everybody see it on my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can see right here, fully rebounded, fully recovered, and then hit new highs. So right here, as of, we'll just say July, right there, July came all the way back. Pulled back around March. It's at the very tail end of February, but we'll just say March because it's like 2 days off. Right there. There's your scare. There it is. That's when the world was burning. Does that look like a world burning event? Anybody in here? Let me help you out. No. Okay?
It does not.
No. Now, what happened in the news, right? Oh no, Bitcoin, all the things, everything's starting to crash. That was right here. That was this 1 week period. See it? Everybody, that's it. It's over. AI bubble. Dumbasses. AI bubble. AI, just so you know, is just getting started. So if you hear anybody anywhere ever talking about AI bubble in the infant stages of AI, you know damn well they don't know shit, right? We're literally in the infant stages of AI, robots, spaceships, interstellar travel, right? AI, stop. Just cut it out. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. Join American Dream Trading so you can learn what's really happening, right? Okay. Real quick, Bobby61 says, so the 7-day trial does not give you access to the same functions as a paid membership. Yes, it gives you 100% full access as a paid member. That is correct. Now remember, premium is not the same as VIP, VIP Gold, Diamond, right? We have different subsets of what we have. But yes, it is 100% exactly the same. Bobby6194 over on YouTube. Great question. So anyways, my long-term investors that are like getting antsy and doing weird stuff, gang, have you heard me freaking out? Have I ever, by the way, I've been doing this for 3 years, live in front of your faces since August 1st of 2022. Have I ever one time ever said, oh crap, panic? Anybody? Ever? Have I ever said, oh my gosh, you better sell all your 401k and long-term investments?
No.
Never.
No, but I've heard you mention fire sales in the past.
Absolutely. 100%. You've heard me talk about fire sales, right? Because I want you to look at this. We had some huge fire sales. And if you go back to my X, it used to be Twitter back then, I was telling people, not financial tax or investment advice, that a good strategy would be to load the effing boat, max out your 401ks, IRAs, SEPs, traditionals, Roths, all of the things. Back here, let me show you. Look at the difference, the way the chart looks now. Oh. Anybody see this huge dip back here? See this one? Yeah, you do. Pay attention. Right here. You see this? January 2022. Everybody see that right there? Crashed all the way until January 2024. We were live August 1st, 2022. They said it was the worst market condition in 40 years when I went live. Does everybody remember that?
I do.
Yep. That was all of this. The biggest crash in 40 years. What did I tell you back then? Load the boat. Did I or did I not?
You did.
Fire sales. Constant and forever, right? I want you to look at it. Well, Coach, how could that be the worst in 40 years? I mean, look at Weeble's history. This is the only history we have. See it? This right here was the worst market conditions since probably the 30s during the Great Depression market crash. Can you see it? That is terrible. Can anybody tell me what this spot is right here? Now, if you're watching for free, you don't get to see me mark up my screen. Can anybody tell me what this spot is?
.com.
That's the pandemic.
COVID.
Yep. You see it? Right there. So I want you to think about this for a moment. This was a global disaster. See it? This was a total market crash out. Do you see the difference? We're talking about the entire world shut down and it caused this blip. See this little blip? Beep. That was total global annihilation. Am I right or wrong? We all lived it. It was like a damn bad movie, right? Is this thing on?
Yeah.
Is this thing on? Hello?
Yeah, we remember.
Okay, thank you. And then we went through this nonsense. This was the worst. 2022 to 2024, January exactly 11. I'll let you guys figure out what that is. To 2024, exactly January 2024. 2 years. So right now, some of you are like, oh my gosh, we had this little bit of a pullback right here. Stop. Damn it. Do you not listen to the sound of my voice? Quit freaking out. Stop listening to the news. If you are long-term investing, I want you to look at a 10, 20, or 30-year window. If you are getting ready to retire, you don't have a 10, 20, or 30-year window, which probably also means you shouldn't have all your eggs into the stock market basket. Am I right? Because if the market did decide to crash and we had another pandemic, global something, you don't need all your money sitting in something like that, not financial tax or investment advice, but you need to be looking at other things and getting ready to off-ramp some of that stuff. And how does that handle for tax implications, and what should be and what shouldn't be in there, and how much should you have in gold and bonds and different yields and money market accounts and spreading it around and not all your eggs in one basket and all the things. So before we go into the new year, this is why I'm trying to hammer this home. Stop freaking out. This is your long term. Quit. Stop freaking out. If you guys are buying and selling on news on a long-term account, you are doomed for failure. Do you understand me? I'm telling you right now, you cannot time the market. What do they say? It's better to have time in the market because you can never time the market. And I 100% agree with that. On these market pullbacks and corrections and global news and oh no, and the world's burning, add. Those are normal pullbacks. Add. There's a difference between a company is not doing what it should be doing and or just news events causing the entire market to fluctuate and do different things. You need to know the difference. And that is why you should be here listening to us every single day, right? That's what we do here at American Dream Trading. We want to help you. I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been around a lot of very powerful, rich, extremely wealthy people, and I always wanted to mirror, emulate, mimic. What were they doing? Why were they doing it? How did they do it? What were they, the whole thing, always trying to pick their brains, right? Yes, I grew up dirt floor poor, literally, in Flint, Michigan. I went to Flint Beecher, right? Murder capital. By the way, murder capital of the country per capita. Did anybody know that? For the last 30 years, that's where I grew up. So if you're like, oh, I was in Detroit, I was in the Bronx, I was in Chicago, listen up. I grew up in Flint. Per capita, highest murder rate in the country. So I don't want to hear all that. I grew up in Queens. Stop all the bullshit, right? I couldn't even walk across the street without worrying about something happening. I mean, anywhere in my entire freaking area. You go the wrong way, that's not good for you. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is everybody in this room, you all have the same opportunity. We are all here together at the same time. You are in the right place at the right time with the right trainers, the right training, the right leadership. We will help you navigate and steer through this craziness. Moderators, you can put that whole thing together. You got 25 minutes. You got a 25-minute clip.
Love it.
I don't want to hear. I don't know what videos we're gonna make. Come on, we've had 18,000 motivational and or directional and or leadership and or mentorships and or I don't know what to put together. Stop. I'm gonna start riding people's ass like Zorro. By the way, 2026 American Dream Trading is gonna go to the next level. Everybody, we are going to take this to the next level. Are you guys ready for that? Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Ready to make that change?
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Let's do it.
That's right. Now listen, it's been an amazing 3 years. We have made 16 brand new millionaires. 16. We're working on 17 right now. Who is going to be our 17th new millionaire in just a little
Me.
over 3 years? There you go. In a little over 3 freaking years, right? A little over 3 years. We've done some incredibly ridiculous things. Now, I can say because of what our members tell us, I know we are clearly over 300 million in profits, which is crazy when you think about that. It's over 100 million per year. I cannot tell you that I've looked at their brokerage statements, talked to their accountants, pulled up all the legal paperwork. So before you come at me with your pitchforks, there's no way. You guys are the best in the world. I'm just telling you what we get reported from our members. So don't come for me, right? Not trying to sell you anything. I'm just telling you. I've worked directly with some of these people for 3 years straight. I've seen them. I get screenshots from them. I give you screenshots. You see the people that become millionaires. You know it for a fact. You know them in your community. There's no way they can hide it. They were poor and now they're freaking rich. How do you hide that shit? Am I right? Oh, there's no way. Yeah, as they're driving a brand new car, going on vacations every other week, right? I don't know. Maybe they're lying. Okay.
Coach, sorry to interrupt you.
Right?
TikTok went down.
Okay, thank you. Now, I'm going to load the studio then because I think that OBS has a problem. Hold on one second. Let me load the old school version. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me fire that back up. It doesn't like it when we connect it to our other system. We have to like run its own studio software. So bear with me. Let me launch this thing. Let me launch the beast. But anyways, thank you everybody for being here. We do appreciate it. We have had an amazing 2025. I cannot wait to see what we're going to do in 2026. We've got so many cool programs, education, training coming up. We don't sleep. We never stop. We always want to get better. We always want to excel in our field, right? We always want to make sure our trainers, our moderators, everybody is the best of the best. Hold on, let me launch this bad boy. So again, if you want to join us, go to the website. It's that simple. Let me start this virtual cam. Okay, there we go. All right, we're coming back up live again. Yes. Come on, yes. Got it. Okay. Select a topic. Okay. Learn. Great. All right, going live again on the TikToks. Now listen, we've got 2 minutes to the bell. The market is obviously up right now. Do not come in here with a bias. Don't think it's going to run up all day. Well, I heard from a friend that because of the... Stop. Trade the trades. Right? Trade the trades. By the way, TikTok should be back up. Trade the trades. Okay? Check your bias at the door. It's going to change. Now, I, of course, will be trading with a live account in front of your face like I do every single day. I don't know how big of an account I'm going to use today. We'll see. Again, we'll be dipping out of here on time today to make sure we're here for the meeting. Now, you guys already know where to go to do all the things. Right? We've got stocks, options, futures, and crypto training over here. Do me a favor, everybody, click share. Okay? Make sure you go to the YouTubes. We're here live 3 times a day, 9 to 11, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Soon, by the way, we're going to be live again with crypto every single day, just like we are with this. That is my next plan. So we will be live 4 times a day here at ADT TV. Is that exciting or what? Come on. That's amazing. Doing the things. All right, now, 30 seconds to the bell. Listen, nobody go rogue. Follow all the rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 30 days off. If you are new to trading, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you are paper trading or simulate trading only. Go in with small position sizes, let the runners run, and stop out the losers. Make sure you journal each and every trade and start with stocks before everything else. Real quick before we get going, I know 5 seconds. I want to thank my moderators, Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, all my military family, and all my first responders. All right, let's rock and roll. Thank you. Appreciate you. Sorry I ran over. I didn't mean to run that far over. Appreciate you. All right, here we go. We got SPY pulling back. Apple on the 2-minute EWO is already to the upside. Just remember, typically when it runs up in the pre-market, it does want to pull back at the open. If it pulls back in the pre-market, watch for it to pop at the open. So you can see right here, SPY ran up. You had a high of the 685.87. So market at 686 is going to be your high, pre-market high over here on SPY. Don't forget, every single day while you're marking your charts, you have to have pre-market high, low, and previous day high and low. If you guys see any runners, make sure you call them out clear and concise. Get in the mic, get in, get out, just like with our trading. Get in, get green, get out. Same with the microphones. Get in, call it out, get off the microphone. Thank you. SPY, we're watching SPY pulled back off of that pre-market high at the open, now sitting at the 200 and VWAP area. 685 on SPY. Watching it here, 685 on SPY. Setting up my trades. So again, 685 on SPY. Still got some room here watching it. Now remember, SPY is up $3.30 since previous day close, or a half of 1%. SPY sitting on the 200, which should be support. We'll see if it's going to bounce off this key area or not. There we go. Take it for a quick bounce. There it goes. There's 100. Trading small over here. I'll take it. First trade, $50. Woo! That's nice. So nice. Took that off of a quick 200 MA bounce. See if it's got any more. You can see it bounced right up to the 9 and the 200 and pulled back. Yeah, have a great day, Morpheus. I see you on TikTok. Thank you for being here. By the way, everybody do me a favor. Double tap those screens. We should have at least 300 people over here watching us on TikTok. Double tap the screens. Click that share. Tappy tap. There we go. A little bit more of a pullback. See if it's got more. Protect this trade. There it is. There it goes. There's another hundy right there. Nice. All the way down. Should you look at a bounce here? 684.65. We're going to be watching this area. Nice. Down here on support. See if we're going to have more. Nice. I like that. There's 200. Continuing to collapse. Nice. There's 250. There's 300. Beautiful trade. Nice. I'm going to take that right to the top of that candle. There's 400. Nice. There's 450, 465, 480. Nice. There's 500. Nice. I'll take it. I know. I know. Yeah, I know. You're impressed. Am I right? Huh? Are you not entertained with that? No? Okay. I hear you. By the way, that's going in with really small position sizes, right? Properly executing a trade, small position sizes. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Thank
You're
you.
right, boss.
Thank you. Why the hell is it so quiet in here? 330 people,
Oh,
and it's like a freaking morgue in here. You guys forget, I respond more like Happy Gilmore out on the golf course. I want to hear people. I don't do the silence bullshit. Otherwise, I'd be trading alone, wouldn't I? If I wanted silence, I'll just sit here and trade by myself.
What's up, dear?
Thank you.
It's so cold, everybody's kind of stiff and
I hear
quiet
The
this
paper
morning.
keeps not like fully coming through.
I hear you.
See how it's not sucking it in there?
I got it. All right. See that right there? Did everybody see how that stalled out? This candle right here. It
Yes,
bounced.
coach.
Yep, and it bounced. I had a critical level over on my NQ, which is I'm trading NASDAQ. That's why I had that tight stop over there. I can see it on my 2-minute EWO indicators. Oh, right there. Okay, right there is resistance. 680, yeah, 680, we'll just say 684.40. That's your channel we're sitting in. We'll see if we can break through this channel. We've got the 9 just above it. Nice. Now we're moving up to the 9 here. I'm not making any moves now. Apple 2-minute EWO. That's where I told you guys to be careful on that pop, right? You got to be really careful where it likes to pop like that at the open and then just fall out. Apple 2-minute EWO now to the downside. It started to run up, couldn't hold, and then completely collapsed, right? Okay, great.
Yes, coach. Fake out.
Yep. Spy all the way back to the spy all the way back here to the 9.
Sorry, I was just going to call out Tesla.
Yeah, go ahead.
Tesla up 4.5%.
Okay, so thank you. So Tesla's in a 6-star trade, 2-minute EWO to the upside. Is that what I heard?
That's what I meant.
Okay,
Sorry.
thank you. Yep, perfect call out. Like the way I helped you out right there a little bit. I got you.
Little extra push.
Yeah, I got you. Little tappy tap. Perfect job. Thank you. Good call out. But I thought Tesla was going to crash and burn because mean old Elon. Oh no, Tesla's going to crash. Tesla's almost at $500 a share, right? Right. Where are my Tesla holders?
Right here.
Present.
You mother effers should be rich.
Doing quite well, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I made a couple of bucks.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I mean, this thing is, well, I know that it did the reverse split and all that stuff, but oh my gosh, right? Everybody should be golden on that, yes?
I am.
Okay, great.
Yep.
Good job. I know everybody's kind of freaking out because, you know, some of those yield max going to the downside and all that. It's the nature of the beast, gang, right? As long as your high yield dividends are paying more than the loss of the stock, which I told you in the beginning, right? To not worry about it, right? Oh, boy. Okay, great. Good job. Now, some of them are getting hammered like Misty, obviously, because Bitcoin's being destroyed, but that's because that's all it holds. All right. Pulling back here now, breaking beyond that 684. I like it here. That means it's telling me SPY is trying to get back to previous day open. That means $2 from now, right? Oh, damn it. I took it here. I should have waited. Oh, this isn't open either. Wrong stop.
683.67 is a good level there.
All right, thank you. There we go. Get down there. Do your thing. Work your magic. Protect. Oh, I protected the trade and then it bounced. Well, at least I made a couple bucks. Not a lot. All right, right here, support. Marking it right here, support. Right. Now remember, every time it stops like that, I want to mark that out. So if I am quick scalping it, I want to know exactly what it's doing, right? Tesla. By the way, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but does anybody want to know why Tesla is just skyrocketing beyond all belief right now?
Yeah, I saw
Makes
the
sense.
board members made $1 billion each.
That helps. Fully autonomous vehicle was spotted on the road yesterday. No driver. Over the weekend. No driver at all. So you know what that means? Robocabs are coming. And the crazy thing with Tesla and the Robocab system is they can literally take any one of their vehicles, drive it right from the production plant, and it can go right into service. No Waymo hookups and LiDAR, $30,000 cameras. It goes right from production, right on the road, and it's ready to go. Done.
And coach,
Yes.
George,
that wasn't really it. It was because you said it was going to go up like a while ago.
That's true. That
know,
could
that's-
be.
that's-
That
come
that,
on.
That could be.
It
yeah,
was
yeah.
you.
Yeah. People were listening. Yeah.
Get your
and
memberships here, people. Get in.
Thank
know
you.
ahead of time.
Thank you. And now you guys see they're talking about SpaceX having its own IPO. Is everybody hearing that?
Yeah, what,
and a
400
huge
billion already?
valuation. Yeah,
Yup.
huge valuation.
Yup. And you know what they're saying it's about? It's not going to be about interplanetary colony and all that. It's AI. I'm telling you guys. But we're in an AI bubble. Yeah, okay. You are clueless. Go back to your cave. You don't understand technology in any way, shape, or form. Rivian had their big announcement, by the way. They're full autonomous. They're looking at with their Gen 3, not the Gen 2s that are out, but their Gen 3s, they will be putting in their own chip, trying to get to full autonomy. Or level 2 right now is what they're working on. Right now, they have is highway assist. But they have now rolled that out to, I think, 3.5 million miles. They only had 150,000 miles before off the Gen 2 vehicles. By the way, any of you holding a Gen 1 vehicle like myself, your truck's not getting the update, at least as of right now, which tells me probably never. So that's nice. You should be able to hear me. Logan on Zoom says, how come I can't hear Coach? Everybody can hear me, right?
Yep, hear you good.
Okay.
Loud and clear.
Okay.
Loud and clear.
All right. Thank you. But anyways, that's what's going on with all of the EV market. Aren't you glad you have one place you can go? One place on earth that will tell you exactly what, why, how, and when, right? I know. It's crazy, right? NVIDIA is still holding its own over here at 176.50. Just watching some of the fake gurus saying sell it all. Like, what is going on? People, calm down. Take it easy. Take a chill pill. Here we go. Right here. I'm going to look for this break. Okay. So right here on SPY, you guys can see clearly. Like I said, this is wanting to come all the way back down to previous day open, isn't it? See how it keeps fighting that level? That should have, this is support. Right here is support.
Apple just tanking, Coach.
Is it? Okay, great. I mean, oh no. Did you guys like that?
Please no.
Oh
please.
no, please don't crash completely all in one direction so we can make millions of dollars in a single trading session. Please don't do that. Oh no. And then in 2 weeks, it'll be all-time high, so my long-term investment will also make money. Oh, no. Everybody catch that? Do you understand the difference? Okay, great. Not sure, Logan. That's a technical issue on your end, partners. No issue on mine that we're aware of. Okay?
80% on Apple.
80% on Apple. That's what I like to hear. Love it. Great job over there, David, by the way. Just crushing it on a daily, consistent basis. If you guys didn't know, David was our 16th brand new millionaire, making $1 million plus in profit since joining us 3 short years ago.
Apple's just going straight down, not even one green candle.
Oh,
in there.
wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Now, Apple 2-minute EWO riders, when can you add?
We'll pull back to the 9.
When it is going in your favor, right? Is it going in your favor? No? Oh, okay.
Big time, coach. Big time.
Oh, okay. All right, just checking. Collect as you go. Don't get greedy. Collect as you go.
There you go.
SPY is really trying to get back to previous day open. It's got about $1.60. Stop me out. So still fighting down here. I'm going to have to open the stop up just because what I'm trading has got giant candles over here on NASDAQ. Apple 2-minute EWO riders. Have you guys had any collection point yet? Because I don't see one yet.
No.
Nope. Okay, thanks.
No.
All right, thank you. So nobody's freaking out over there, right? Okay, great.
Stops in place.
Okay, good deal. 50.
Went in small.
That's a good job. 50, 20, 20, 10. Now remember, if you go in small, doesn't that help you control the entire trade, the emotions, not getting stopped out 800 times, letting it run? Once it gets way up in the green, you're not manipulating your stop so much that you get stopped out every 4 seconds. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Yep. You go in large, all you're going to do is get stopped out 37 times. Death by 1,000 cuts, right?
100%.
Yep.
Yeah.
Previous day close. Okay, I see it over here. Still got a ways to go. What is this, 279? Yeah, I still got 200 points possibly. Apple in that really small consolidation area. Still to the downside. Nobody's panicking, right? 2-minute EWO riders.
No, coach, 96%.
Nice job. Now, I promise you, if you guys were all in too heavy, you wouldn't still be in there at 100% now, would you? Nope. You know why? Greed would have taken over. You would have got out of the trade. Am I right?
Fear.
Yep. Well, greed. You would have been like, oh, I see money. I want out. Right? Like, oh, $25. I'm taking it.
Fear of not losing.
Yeah. Let it go. Let it go. Let it run. New low a day, Apple. Did anybody add in on Apple at all this whole time? Anybody? I know it's...
That's our next step.
Okay. All right. If it's going in your favor, it's the only time. Okay, well, good job. If it goes in your favor, you can do it. If it doesn't, you can't.
I don't know. I feel more comfortable when I see that I'm up 90% rather than adding in and I'm at 25%. I'm like, no.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, because the dollar cost average and takes it all away.
Well, especially with this far of a drop already.
Yes.
We got in pretty early.
Yes. Yeah, I do hate that. And then you're like, well, damn it. Now, if it only moves 20 cents, it's going to be break even, right?
Yeah.
I get you.
So, can I ask a question on that, Coach?
Yes, go ahead.
I mean, if you're adding in, isn't it better to wait to like the breathe back up
Yeah.
a little, like get a green candle up a little bit before buying on the way down?
Yeah, absolutely. And because of the gamma, right?
Totally.
Yeah. So if it's like, right, it's just pile driving and then you try to buy in, all it's going to do is you're going to buy at the worst time and get hammered, right?
Done that before.
Yep. Hey, me too. Talking from experience over here, right?
Yep.
Right here. You guys see this 274.85 that I marked out? That's it right on this top. See it right here? This is this tiny level of resistance. See it on my little chart on Apple bottom left? That's that tiny level of resistance right there. Now I got stopped out twice on this. These little moves over here. So we'll see what it wants to do here. Still, though, SPY cannot break. It has not broke the 21 yet. Like I said, it's trying to get back. It's doing the same thing again. I'm just going to have to open the stop up and let it work. Same drill over here. Still all to the downside, right, on SPY. SPY still to the downside. Apple getting ready to make lower lows. Am I right? Is everybody still okay? You still okay? Apple 2-minute EWO riders? Nobody's freaking out? Oh my gosh.
89%.
Nice job. Oh, I'm getting internet connections over here. Dang it. It's telling me my TikTok's in and out. Sorry about that, gang. Is everybody double tapping the screen over there, by the way, on TikTok? I see we're only at 3,500 likes. Let's get that to 100,000. That'd be great. There's that pullback I was looking for on SPY. Beautiful. Who's in that?
I'm in it since the break. A VWAP on the 200, boss.
Oh my gosh. Great job. That is glorious, right?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Me likey like. Now remember me in the beginning before the market opened, and I said, hey, the market is up. Check that bias at the door if you think it's going to run up all day. Remember me saying that? I said you trade the trades, trade the chart, not what you think, right?
Right on, boss.
Some of you would have gotten your butts handed to you if you'd have been like, well, I think it's just going to go up, right? 50-50. Stop. Stop it.
This is a trade where I watched my scalp turn into a 2-minute EWO.
Oh, I love that. That's my favorite. And then you're in like, yes, right?
You got so much working room.
Yes, I love that. That's my favorite. That's my absolute favorite. Then I just give it lots of room, lots of breathing room and or shed until there's so much, there's so little left that it doesn't matter, right?
Yep, you almost can't make a mistake as long as you got a stop in there.
That's right. And think about it. If you've been shedding along the way and your stop is at least above what you paid, it's a green trade no matter what the market does, right?
Yep, I'm guaranteed green.
Yep, and I love that. Love, love, love that. Apple, you guys are still bouncing around this exact same level, aren't you? This 274.85. You see how we're just consolidating. But notice it has not spiked up hard yet, right? Anybody caught that? It has not tried. Yeah, it's not tried to retest yet.
And we also at the bottom of the regression channel, so I'm trying to pay attention to that also.
Yeah, oh, listen to, man, you're starting to sound like a professional. You better watch out.
That's all from David.
Oh my gosh.
Show off.
It's all from David. Damn it. I get no love in here. I swear to God.
On stock pick, AMCI. Halt to the upside.
Thank you. See that? I had to get my coffee out now so I can go into full training mode. Good job. Good job. Look at that. SPY bounced up to the 9, staying low. I like it. If you guys are watching on TikTok over there, type in a 1. If you have any questions, type in a 1 or your question. Everybody, if you're watching on YouTube, if you have a question, type it in. Don't forget, if you are a paying member over at American Dream Trading with any account, I am letting you give anybody you want for free premium training, full-blown premium training access until January. Open up a ticket. Free. Free till January. If you are a paid member, you can give anybody you want a free membership. Did you hear what I said? Merry Christmas. You filthy animals. Sorry, I had to add that. Good job. Good job.
Just a favorite Christmas movie, Home Alone.
There you go. Apple's still dancing around, exact same level. SPY making lower lows. There's a new low a day on SPY. Who's still in SPY?
Ain't it?
Oh, the naked trader's here, everybody. Nice.
Love you, Coach.
Good job. Welcome back. Merry Christmas.
I was there. Just
Oh,
quiet.
okay. All
Let you
right.
talk.
Okay. Whatever you say, boss. Welcome back. Appreciate you. Apple still dancing around. How many of you are freaking out and sweating even though Apple's not really doing anything at all? Are you guys freaking out? Oh, no. Oh, no.
Trying to stay calm.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
I'm not freaking out, man.
All right.
You're freaking out.
Yeah, you're freaking out, man. Good job. SPY's still crashing out. Please tell me you're still in that. Nice job. Still respecting the 9 all the way down. Now, remember what I said up there. Once we got that break, I said this is going to want to try to retest the previous day close, right? And we're 60 cents away. Now, remember, our variance is 25 to 40 cents. So right now, you're about 10, 15 cents away from that variance, right? So you're going to start paying attention, right, to support. Yes.
Always, boss.
Okay.
Yes, coach.
Okay, because we're there now. So be cool. Everybody be cool. This is support. Let me draw it out. Let me make something real nice for you. Hold on. Ah. This is what you're watching for right there. See it? That's your critical. That's your critical area only because that was closed. So that's your first level of resistance, or I'm sorry, support. Because remember, we're 70 cents right now away. So we're just going to watch this area. Doesn't mean it's not going to continue to collapse, but these are the things that we're always paying attention to. Same over there if you're trading NASDAQ. It literally just bounced on previous day close on NASDAQ. Can you guys see it? Okay, great.
Same on IWM, previous day close.
All right, thank you. TikTok's acting a fool. It's up, down, up, down, up, down. So I apologize, TikTok, if you guys are getting kind of something in there. You're not able to find American Dream Trading on Discord. Just go to our website, American Dream Trading. Click on the giant button. It's the only button on the screen. Bing!
Shift change.
Shift change. Thank you. 5 seconds. Volume. 2. 1. Volume. Just go to the website, American Dream Trading. Click join the community. It says join Discord for free. It's right there.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah, this is nice. 30 cents away now. It's 30 cents away from previous day close. 30 cents. So what that make it here? It looks like it right here. Right here. That's pretty close. Trying to get as close as I can here. 10 cents. 10 cents. See it? This is off pre-market, a lot of area. I just longed this just to see if we're going to get a bounce here.
I just sold out, boss.
Nice job. I'm green on the trade, but see if we got more. Come on, get up there. There we go. There's 100. Nice. Come on. Cut that in half. It's got a little bit more. 125. Take it for a hundy. Took it right off that bottom bounce, didn't I? Doesn't mean it's going to, do full reversal and do all the things. Hey, I know where I'm going to make some money, though, don't I? Little dabs will do ya. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do. All right, 10 cents away from previous day close. So this is support going from green to red, right? And by the way, was there any news or is this just a pull? Let's see, 10:01. So Fed just said if shelter inflation does not decline, it might change the outlook for inflation overall. That just came out at 10:01. Reading the news, see if we need to know anything serious. U.S. stocks mixed. New York manufacturing activity dips in December. Okay. We're now 5 cents away from SPY previous day close. Who's still in that? Who made all that money all the way through on the breakthrough?
90%.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Same here, IWM though.
Oh, nice job.
Beautiful.
It's almost as if people know what they're doing in here, Coach.
Yes, I love it. Okay, SPY
Don, you watching IWM?
SPY just went green to red.
Ruh-roh.
Green to red. But remember, if it's going to bounce, it's going to be right here. This is where everybody tries to sell off. Right? So be patient here. If you're not in the trade yet, be patient here.
Google, Amazon, new low.
There it goes.
I was not watching it, no. But wow, that is beautiful.
So choice.
And that's as pretty as it gets right there.
Yeah, it is. It's perfect.
Damn.
That was Ferris Bueller. I caught that, Coach.
Oh, yeah.
So choice.
So choice. Thank you. Appreciate you for paying attention. Apple, 2 minutes.
By the way, meet the Fockers.
Okay.
It's a week late, but.
Oh, okay. Now, everybody that's Apple 2-minute EWO, are you still okay? Because the rules have still been in place. That was just a shedding place, right?
Yes.
But it was very sweaty.
Yep.
Thank you. It's very sweaty. It shouldn't be sweaty at all. You're so far away from where you guys bought it, right? There should be no sweating. You don't sweat till you get to VWAP, right? Because at that point, it's going to be, am I going to get it or out? There's that bounce I talked about with SPY. You see it right there? Remember I said?
I was just about to say IWM is a bounce point.
Yep, and I said you got to be careful because everybody's going to try to short the hell out of it. But this right here, if it's going to bounce, is going to be right at this level, right?
It's early. It's supposed to be.
That's right.
So, Coach, on a day like this where you say that people panic when SPY goes, when it hits 1.5%, are you saying it could go a negative 1.5% from here?
Yes.
Before?
Yes. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is. That's huge. Yeah, the biggest part is as soon as it gets like negative 1 to 1.5%, the market freaks. Have you guys noticed that it doesn't usually stay there?
Never.
Right?
I have noticed that.
Yeah.
And on a day like this where it was up, it could drop 2% total, 2 or 3% total movement.
Correct. Yep. And the market won't even blink an eye until we get to negative area, right? They don't really care so much about up, but it's typically the negative. They freak out, right?
Mm-hmm. And then it'll complete the pattern.
Yeah,
That's interesting. That's
yeah,
really interesting.
Yeah, then it'll do what I talk about, which is the clock, right? It'll go down to 6 o'clock, back to 12, right? New low a day, new high a day, new low a day, new high, right? It loves that crap.
It's crazy, boss. I appreciate your knowledge. I really do.
Yeah, absolutely. Apple, you guys are getting ready to make new lows. There you go, Apple, new low a day. I hope you've been listening, man, because if you guys listen to the training, follow the strategy, right? If you've been doing it, I created that after doing this for 33, almost 34 years now, right? It's been back tested. Hell, David's over there making a buttload of cash on it every damn day, right? And showing you how to do it. Follow the system. It works, right?
For sure.
Well, I hear it all the time. I know how to do a 2-minute EVO, but we replay their trade and they move their stop immediately, or they had a 15% stop, or they only saw a little red retracement and they got out. And I'm like, well, that isn't a 2-minute.
Yep, not at all, right? That has nothing to do at all with what we're training you on.
It's not the strategy; it's the mental thing.
I know it's the execution.
Exactly.
Yep.
And to stay in the trade.
Yep.
Takes time.
Think about it. Think about it. If you were a big fat donut and I told you not to eat big fat donuts, but you couldn't execute the plan and you keep shoving donuts in your face, isn't the outcome going to be the same even though you know what you've been trained to do?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Donuts.
Donuts.
Stop talking about me, Coach.
I hear you.
Oh.
Yep. No donuts. No more donuts.
No donuts.
No
Happy
donuts.
Hanukkah.
That's right. Everybody be cool. No donuts. It's the devil. Salt and sugar too much. It's the devil. You got to have some salt. Just don't be pile driving that sugar. It'll kill you. Oh, there it is. 41 minutes ago, network maintenance is going on in my area. Uh-oh. Which may temporarily interrupt my service. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Remember, I kept going, something's wrong. My TikTok keeps right? Yeah, it's doing it right now. Couldn't connect. Try to reconnect. Am I in and out on my Zoom?
No, you sound good here.
Do it? Okay.
Good.
Yay! Good deal. Again, it's 10:09 station identification. Thank you for being here. Go to our website, American Dream Trading. Get signed up right now. We've got a deal running where if you buy 12 months of VIP, we will gift you VIP Gold for a year. That will expire soon. I was going to run it till Christmas, but I might kill it early. I don't know. We'll see. Still in the Christmas giving spirit. We should not have that deal going on anymore. I got it. SPY bounced up to the 21, couldn't hold, pulled back, sitting at that same exact level of support. Right where I told you to be very careful in that area, right? If you guys go back and watch the replay, I said
That's
here.
some green to red, huh?
Yep, and right here, if you guys go back and watch the replay, I said be careful because this is where everybody's going to try to short it, and then it can run up right here, right?
Yep.
And here's
Right
your
on.
Yeah, and look at it. The largest green candle of the day. See it?
I see it. But it's not worth a long, really,
No.
until it gets above VWAP, is
Correct. Yeah, because you're just going against the grain. Now, if you wanted to hit that area where I did for a quick scalp, you can.
Right.
And that's because, we're looking at that level of support, which is the previous day close, right? Red to green. So I'll always use that as support too. And that's how we were able to make the money right here off this trade, right?
Right.
Now we're looking for this break again. Now it told us, see this? We have a history now. So if this can break and hold right here, this 681.15, we'll say.
Yeah, 681.15.
Yeah, then I can short it again. See it, everybody? This is a micro double bottom. It's a very small area. So the first thing it'll want to do when it gets there, it's going to try to resist. Once it breaks through, I can hammer it, right? That's because everybody's going to go, okay, well, I guess that is where it's going to go. And we're going to go, yep, and we're all going to jump on it and ride it. Not financial tax or investment advice. 52-week low on SNTI. Okay, thank you. Here's that bounce, the micro double bottom bounce. Didn't it just come out of my mouth?
It did.
And if you look at it, that was 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles where everybody, but there was 3 candles and right, all the things and the 3 dead soldiers and all that. None of that shit matters. I mean, it helps, but listen, it's support and resistance. Am I right?
You're right. That's all it really is.
It really is. I don't care how many candles mooning and peeking out, and none of that shit matters, right? Some of it we can kind of keep an eye on it, but it's mostly supply or support and resistance. I was going to say supply and demand because everybody says it, but I'm telling you, most of this is just going to be just basic old support and resistance, baby, right? I don't care how many candles it leads to it. If I see a double bottom bounce, I don't give a crap if there was 15 candles to it, right? That's the choo-choo train candles. I don't care what you call it. I'm about to get paid, am I right?
Right on. Well said.
Yes, you are.
Same thing. 681.15, 681.15. This is support. Micro double bottom. If we're going to short it again, we have to be below 681.15, right? Great. My voice is going out. Why is that? It's freaking Monday. I literally feel the straining of my voice going out.
Coach, would you short this again off the 21 there? See how it respected it?
Yes,
or
sir.
No way.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep, I would, and I could use a tight stop. And then what I would look at too is I would make, so even if 21 is, we know right here, you see this? This 682.60. That's where that's truly where the buck stops, right?
Right.
So, but yeah, great eye. Absolutely great eye on that. Yep. Since it's been respecting it. Remember, we'll continue to trade it until it doesn't. Until it shows us something else, we can continue to do what the pattern shows us. Boom, there goes the break. See if we can get a bigger bleed out from this area. Open this up a little bit. See how this candle broke through? Now it didn't do a break and hold, but I jumped on it a little early. Right now it's still a profitable trade, but I want to see this really bleed out now, right?
Right. It's either going to bleed or turn around right here.
Correct. Yep.
Yeah, this is critical.
Yep. Yeah, 61.15. This is a big deal because this is still fighting in that range, right, of red to green.
Right.
There we go. Shorting it, protecting my trade, free trade. Looking for a bleeder. There it goes. Now I just got paid big time. I like it. Now when you say big time, it's only $100, but I want you to think about this, right? If I was using my large account, this would be a $10,000 trade, right? Just like that. So don't look at it of the scale of what I'm doing it with. Imagine if I'm scaling in larger like I would, right? Oh, but it's only 10 grand. Well, if 10 grand doesn't do anything for you, I don't know what to tell you, right?
10 grand times 10?
That's right. Absolutely. How many likes we got over there? 6,500 likes. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm my TikTok numbers are I keep losing connection. It just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, I see you, Bob, for sure, right? How we doing, Apple 2-minute EWO riders? You guys just continue to make lower lows. You guys hanging in there? Did you listen to the sound of my voice? Are you guys okay? Is everybody still in there? You added and you did the things and it was going in your favor and you were able to add more and then it pulled back. You added more and then you all over there, bird.
274, strong support, coach.
Nice.
Still got runners at 95%.
Good job. How much have you got locked in over there, David?
Just over 3,700, I think.
Oh my gosh, 3,700.
And then I still got like 1,700 open, I think.
So you're over $5,000 this morning in 40 minutes.
Yeah, and I'm over here getting ready to take the dogs out. I'm not even watching the rest of the trade yet.
Sounds good. You guys hear that? How would you like to make $5,000 in literally 48 minutes?
I'll put a pep in my step.
Right? That's not bad. Am I right?
The interesting thing is those numbers shows that he has to be making way more on these runners on that 2-minute EWO than what he shaved off at first.
That's correct. Yeah, and now it's
He's made double.
Yeah, and it's stress-free. It just runs, right?
Yeah.
Just let it go. I mean, think about it. David, you're crushing it. Are you going a little bit larger? Because you've been, your numbers have been going way up.
Yeah, steadily a little bit. I added a couple more thousand into the.
Yeah, you did. Remember me harping on you, and people are like, "Leave him alone, let him do it." Remember, I'm like, "Come on, a little more, Dave. Let's stretch you out a little bit."
Yep. I figured I've already got enough of a buffer for the year, so I was like, I can go in a little heavier in December, and it's not going to ruin me.
Yep, I like it. Good job. Good job. I mean, think about it. Think how fast 2,000 extra per day is going to add up, because that's on average about what you're doing is 2,000 to 3,000 more per day now, right?
It's been pretty close to that. Yep.
Yep. I'm always paying attention. I'm always monitoring what's going on around here.
Well, the part that people don't see if they're watching for free is this stuff gets posted every single day.
Every day. Every day. Every day over there in the VIP Gold and Diamond area for the live Apple chat. Every day. Does Weeble support? Does Weeble support Tradeovate? No, not that I'm aware of. No. TradingView, you can link Tradeovate to TradingView. Look at this. Yes. Anybody on SPY on that break of 681.15 while I've just been over here talking the praises and the greatness that is David?
I am.
Thank you. Oh, look at this bounce. Bing! Right when I said it, too.
And
Right
it
on
went
the
all the
line
way
this time.
down and bounced back like in 5 seconds.
Yep.
Woo, that was a ride.
Yep. That's crazy.
WM went right to the line and bounced this time.
Yeah, and on the NASDAQ, it said that was right at previous day low.
It is.
Yep. Is that where
I
SPY's
just showed
at?
Jen. I told her where the double bottom was on it when I had
Yep.
that line there.
Yep, that's beautiful. Yeah, SPY here too. It's getting really close. So we had this area here and then this. So what is that? 680.11 basically, and then 679.17. So 20. Those were your two next major areas right there. Yeah, it's 10:21. Has anybody made any money yet today?
I have, boss.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
Sir.
Good job.
Sure did.
Good job. Good job. Wow, I see we're like Sandy Claus over there giving away tons of memberships. Nice. Nicey nice. That will be free until January 1. Appreciate you all. All right, listen, it's 10:21. I'm going to get out of here only because my voice is shot and I've got to do a meeting. Hopefully that won't take forever, as I won't allow it because I want everybody to have their day. So moderators, I will see you at 11 o'clock. Everybody else that's in here, I appreciate you. Let's get that money train going. Yes, what a way to start our Monday, right? Brand new week. Getting it done.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
I love red candles, Coach.
So do I.
Obsession with them. So pretty.
Yeah, I told you, red is our friend. I love it. Good job. Nice job, everybody. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators for helping me put on the show and doing all the things. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. By the way, man, give it up for Chris and Bucko, always doing a great job over there on crypto. Our unsung heroes, right, over there getting it done, grinding it out over in the crypto area. Hopefully you guys all appreciate that. I know we've got about 500 diamond members that are able to take advantage of that. Hopefully you guys are loving all of those things that they're doing for you. Doug putting in the extra OT. Appreciate you by putting in extra hours. He was live again last night. Thank you to everybody. James holding down the fort and the screens this morning. Don helping out, of course, the aftermarket and doing all the things. Miranda and Arlo is always helping out with the tickets with Bruno and helping us back there on the American Dream Trading Journal, which is going to be coming out soon. So appreciate it. Listen, everybody that we have, right? And of course, Mark, who's always over there in futures and doing the live. Everybody we have has a very specific role. Right? Everybody that's in the room. So make sure you thank those moderators each and every single day. Whether you see them every day or not, trust me, everybody has a role. Some of them are on payroll, some of them aren't. Some of them have bigger functions, like Bruno doing a lot of the admin and behind the scenes stuff, and some of them don't. Right? But everybody has a role. Everybody has a purpose here, and I appreciate each and every one of you. That's why I thank you a minimum of twice a day. And I want to thank, of course, all our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Now, partner, you asked me if I would have shorted it if it touched the 21, and my response was yes, I would. Do you see where it bounced back up, hit the 21, and pulled back?
Yes, I do. Do you see where I bought back in?
Nope. Did you do it? That's awesome.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Yes. See, now there's a difference. I love that. There's a difference between just listening but executing the plan, right?
There definitely is, but I don't know if people out there understand the opportunity when you can sit here and just get the play-by-play from you. It's just incredible. It's just incredible.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Otherwise, otherwise the old man, I'd just be sitting in here, room by myself, right? Be like, I guess I'll make this trade. So I appreciate you all being here. Yes, the connection is having a hard time right now. We get it. But I'm going to kill the live session. Moderators, I'll see you guys in about 25 minutes. Everybody, listen. If you're still in a good trade, let it run. Stop playing with it. If it's going in your direction, what can you do?
Keep your hands off the mouse.
Add in.
And add in, right? Look for obviously a good spot. Look for a good pullback, right? On the Apple, you can see it keeps hitting the 9, and it has since 10:04. So the last 22 minutes in the 2-minute, it just keeps touching the 9 and pulling back, right? Or touching the 9 and then pulling back. Isn't that a nice area?
79.20 is going to be a double bottom on SPY.
Thank you. Yep, I've got it marked. Remember we talked about it. 679.17, and I said, yeah, right in that exact area. Good call. All right, gang, I'm out of here. I will see you all tomorrow. Moderators, I'll see you in about a half an hour. Love your faces. Keep crushing it, everybody. I hope you make $1 million today.